Hello everybody, welcome to Tuesday. We had another update today. S&P 500 was up 0.43% today, not bad. Jumped to the top of the range that we've been in here recently at the open, kind of stayed up there, fell off a little bit later, but it looks like it's trying to challenge to break out of this range right now. I would say overall, we had about a 4-month period before this market fell where the market was really strong, strongest I've seen in my career. And we seem to sort of be back in that mode where the market really is wanting to go up. That's what's happening at this point. Sometimes it doesn't make sense with all the other things that are happening, but that is exactly what is happening. And this might be a good chance to just make sure that everybody has a really good grasp on the risk within their portfolio. It's something we work on all the time. We use a piece of software from a company called Riskalyze. You get an email every quarter, asking you about your outlook on the market. But once you get through those first two questions, it gives you some really good information. Part of that is how much your portfolio could drop in some big downturns. But we just went through a big downturn, so it's a good chance for you to take a look and say, okay, I was all right with that downturn or I wasn't. And if you weren't, then one of the ways to mitigate risk is to change the amount of stock that you have in the portfolio. So 100% stock portfolio, which we have, is going to have a lot more risk than our 20% stock portfolio. And so one of the best ways to change risk is just to change your stock versus bond mixture. You do need to have stocks oftentimes long term to make sure you keep up with inflation, can pay your bills long term. And so, the stock market long term has great rates of return, but you also have to be able to kind of stick with your portfolios through some of this different volatility. Things are looking really good right now, and I'm feeling confident that things will do well here, at least in the short term, but this would be a good time to just take a look at that. And so I want to thank you very much for listening today, and I look forward to talking to you tomorrow.